All right, this type of factoring is very similar, almost the same as what we've been practicing. It just has some positive and negative numbers in it. Okay, so it is very important to make that diamond problem, to make your diamond puzzle first, so you can get the two numbers needed for the answer. Okay, so remember the third number, the last number, is the one that goes on top, is the one you're looking to multiply to, and the middle number is the one that goes on the bottom, is what you're going to add to. So this is actually a negative 28. Okay. All right, so we're trying to figure out what two numbers can multiply to negative 28 and add to 3. Okay, if you remember from the diamond puzzle video, if the bottom number, the 3, if that is a positive number, your bigger factor will be positive. Okay, so just forget about the negative on the 28. Just do 28. Okay, what are our factors for 28? Well, 1 times 28 is 28. 2 times 14 is 28. 3 doesn't work. 4 times 7 is 28. And I think that's it. We're going to start repeating. Okay? So now we do have a negative 28. So one of these columns needs to be negative, right? And to figure that out, you look at your bottom number, the 3. So since it is positive, your bigger number is positive. So I'm going to make the smaller number negative. All right? So then we add straight across. Negative 1 plus 28 is 27. That doesn't work. Negative 2 plus 14, that's 12. Doesn't work. Negative 4 plus 7 is 3. Bingo. So negative 4 and 7. So when I create my answer, I still have the two sets of parentheses, still have whatever variable it is, an x, and I put that there. And then I just use my numbers, a negative 4 and a plus 7, and I'm done. Okay? So the key is really make that diamond problem and just follow the steps. Okay? This, I'm going to do number 4 because this one is trickier. It wasn't in your diamond problem, but you might see this. Okay? Steps are the same. Make your diamond. You can make your parentheses if you want first. Okay? Put an X there, and then just fill in the numbers when we get them. But remember, this number is the multiplying one. This one's the adding one. So I got 48. I have negative 14. So now, the top number is positive. Okay, so you can think, well, my factors are going to be both positive then, right? Well, since my bottom number, when I have to add them, I get a negative, that's going to change things. So first, let's just figure out the factors of 48. Well, 1 times 48 is 48. 2 times 24 is 48. 3 times 16 is 48. 4 times 12 is 48. Not 5. 6 times 8 is 48. And then we're going to repeat. So now, what are the possibilities that I could get a positive number when I multiply? So I can multiply two positive numbers, or I can multiply two negative numbers, okay? And that is the case for this problem. So every single number needs to be negative here, because when I add two negatives together, it stays negative, and that's what that negative 14 is right there. So we just add them up, okay? This one is negative 49, doesn't work. This one is negative 26, doesn't work. This one is negative 19, doesn't work. Negative 16 doesn't work. Negative 14, oh, found it. Bingo. Okay, so negative 6, negative 8, those are the answers you put in here. Okay? So just follow the steps. If you need to go back and do the diamond puzzle practice, do that. Otherwise, complete this practice. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.